I'm your Komali ma'am. Let us see part 2 of electrochemistry. If you did not watch the previous part 1, please watch previous part 1 and let us see part 2. In this session, I am going to cover you another 5 questions. These 5 questions will make you get good grip over electrochemistry from NCERT. Select the correct statements among the following. See this question one time. A negative E0 means that the redox couple is a stronger reducing agent than the hydrogen couple. F2 is the strongest oxidizing agent among halogens. Among alkali metals, lithium is the most powerful reducing agent in aqueous solution. The potential of individual half cells cannot be measured. How to solve this question? Now, see here, this is the EMF series. First, here I'll tell you one excellent trick to you all. Just use this trick, write this trick in your notebook. This trick will help you whenever you are solving EMF series questions, okay? See, in EMF series, if you observe, all ions are in aqueous medium. All ions are in aqueous medium. Reaction is these ions gains electrons and they convert into another form. So these are reduction reactions. Gain of electrons, every reaction you see, gain of electrons, reduction form. So here these are in the form of SRP, standard reduction potential, starting higher SRP values. Fluorine, if you see, fluorine is having higher SRP, 2.87. Top to bottom, if you comes down, that SRP values are decreasing. SRP value decreasing. Top element higher SRP, positive value. Down element negative value, low SRP. Low SRP means SOP is more. SOP more means it is having more tendency to undergo oxidation. If it is undergoing oxidation means it is a reducing agent, strong reducing agent. See the top elements. SRP is more means reduction is more. It undergo reduction. Reduction more means it is a strong oxidizing agent. Keep these points in your notebook, write in your book. That's it. You see now, first part is a negative E0 means the redox couple is a strong reducing agent. What is the meaning of negative value? Negative value means come down, SRP low. What is that? SRP low. SRP low means SOP high. SOP high means undergoes oxidation. Oxidation means it is a strong reducing agent. So option 1 is correct. Fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent. Why fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent? Tell me. Fluorine is present at the starting. Starting SRP values are more. If SRP values are more, then what will happen? It undergo reduction easily. Good oxidizing agent. Good, correct. Among alkali metals, lithium is the most powerful reducing agent. Why reducing agent? When it will be reducing agent? When its SRP is least. You can see the last element is lithium. SRP is least. So this is also correct. The potential of individual half cell cannot be measured. See here, the potential of individual half cell cannot be measured. Why we cannot measure individual half cell potential? Because in a galvanic cell, we put 2 electrodes, zinc rod in zinc sulfate, copper rod in copper sulfate. Whatever the cell potential we get, that we will is a sum of these two. So we cannot find the individual half cell. This is also NCERT line. I forgot to put that clip over here. All the 4 statements are correct. Is it clear? Clear everybody? See the next one. For the electrochemical, these points are excellent points. These points, whatever I covered now, keep in your notebook. It will be helpful for you. Okay? See the next one. For the electrode reaction, Mn plus N electrons gives rise to M. The Nernst equation is given by, what is the Nernst equation? See the Nernst equation. E cell is equal to E naught minus RT by NF, ln of metal by Mn plus 2, Mn plus n. Don't get confusion here. Always we write K or Q, okay, which is equal to products concentration by reactants concentration. Let's take Q. Products by reactants. So always products by reactants. Here minus will come. Few textbooks, they will write reactants by products. That time sign will change. But mostly NCERT follows products by reactants with respect to keeping K in the mind. Right? And here metals are solid, so you can keep 1. But in the option directly they were asking the formula. So option 2 is the correct answer. Nernst equation. You can replace this ln with the log also. Natural logarithm ln is equal to 2.303 log. What is that? Natural logarithm ln is equal to 2.303 log. Clear? See the next question. Incorrect relation among the following. You can see these options all looking same, no? Delta G, G is equal to minus 2.303 RT log K. E naught cell is equal to delta G naught is equal to delta G is equal to. Let us say in this which is the incorrect formula. See here. Delta G is nothing but what? Maximum work done. Maximum work done, we call it as delta G, maximum work done per second. And here what is happening? Delta G is equal to what it says? Electrical potential E cell into N into F, that is total charge passed. Delta G Gibbs energy change, what is the formula, my dear students? Minus NF E cell is the formula. Okay. Now this, which option is correct now? This is correct, right? And previously we have discussed E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT by NF. I told you log place keep, ln place keep this products by reactants. When reaction is at equilibrium, E cell is 0. Then substitute, then E naught cell becomes 2.303 RT by NF. If reaction is at equilibrium, Q becomes a Kc. Okay? Is it clear? Then what we get? This formula is also correct formula. This also correct formula. And one more formula. Delta G is equal to minus RT ln K. Delta G naught. This is also correct formula. Here, I'll tell you another formula. Delta G is equal to delta G naught plus 2.303 RT log Kc. Means at equilibrium delta G is 0, then Q becomes Kc. If it is 0, then this is actually Q. When reaction is at equilibrium, Q becomes Kc. Then what is the formula we get, students? Delta G naught is equal to minus 2.303 RT log Kc is the formula. Okay. So which is the correct option? This is correct option. RT log place you can 2.303 log you can replace with ln. Okay. So this is correct, this is correct, this is correct. This is incorrect. Why incorrect? At equilibrium, if you are keeping K means delta G is 0. If they keep delta Z naught, then it is correct. So now this statement is correct, incorrect. Option, 8th question is, first option is incorrect. See the next one. The oxidation potential of hydrogen electrode which is in contact with a solution having pH 10. Here excellent formula I will tell you. These formulas write in your notebook. You can directly substitute and you can solve the question. That is E cell is equal to formula is minus 0.0591 into pH. Okay, you get E cell in volts. Directly substitute pH. We have one more formula. E cell is equal to 0.0591 into pH in volts. So here the difference between this is plus. This formula is for cathode. When hydrogen cell acts as a cathode, SRP, reduction. In reduction, what to say? Reduction potentials they were asking. Reduction potentials they are asking. If they are asking oxidation potentials, then we have to use the down formula. Oxidation potential time you have to use down formula. Ma'am, they did not say, ma'am, in the question whether it is undergoing reduction na oxidation na, then which formula we have to use. You know which formula we have to use? When it is not mentioned in the question, usually hydrogen electrode we consider it as a cathode place, so we have to take first formula. In this question they mentioned directly oxidation potential, so use this formula. pH is given in the question 10, directly substitute 10, then what we will be getting? Tell me, 0.0591 into 10. How much we get, students? 0.591 volts. So option 1 is the correct answer. See the next question. See super points now. The EMF of the cell is given. They were asking us to, they have given us concentrations in E0 cell. They are asking us to find the EMF of the cell, which means E cell they are asking. E cell. Tell me what is the formula to find E cell? E0 cell minus 0.0591 by N. Ma'am, previously you wrote now 2.303 RT by NF. Except N, remaining all are constants. If you substitute their values, we will be getting this formula. Log of Kc or Q. Products concentration by reactants concentration. E0 cell is given in the question 1.05 minus 0.0591. Let us see how to find Q and N. Write the cell reaction. Nickel is converting into Ni plus 2 electrons. This is anode reaction where oxidation taking place. Next is cathode reaction where reduction taking place. Both reactions you want to add, but number of electrons are not same, so multiply the second reaction with the 2. So we will be getting 2Ag plus gives rise to 2 electrons cancelling, Ni2 plus 2Ag. So here number of electrons transferring are how many? 2 electrons are transferring in this reaction. So N value is 2. Log of products concentration by reactants concentration. How to find products? This is a solid. Silver and nickel solid, you no need to write. Only products concentration by reactants concentration. Product is Ni2 plus, reactant is Ag plus, and whatever the stoichiometric coefficient is there, keep it as a power. Then 1.05 minus 0.0. See this one small trick I'll tell you. 0.0591 is there na. Round it off, you can take it as 0.06 while solving. That will give you faster answer. Ni2 plus concentration how much, students tell me? 0.16. Ag plus concentration how much? 0.002 whole square, which means I can write this is 16 into 10 power of minus 2, this is 4 into 10 power of minus 6. If it goes up, 10 power of plus 6 and minus 2, 10 power of 4 will be left, 4 and 16 cancel, 4 into 10 power of 4. Solve this and tell me what is the answer you are getting in a chart box. Question number 10. Clear? Which is your answer? Try this question and find out the answer and tell me how is the session. Please let me know in comment section. My name is Komali and I'm your chemistry mentor. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again in the next video with more tips and tricks. Bye all of you. Have a nice day.